So you may be wondering how to negotiate the repairs after a home inspection when you're purchasing a home. That's what we're going to be talking about today, so let's jump into it.
I'm Zeke.
And I'm Dirk. We're the Tanner Brothers. We're with Tanner Realty, and this channel is all about educating you about real estate.
So you got your inspection done, and usually 2 days after the inspection, your inspector will get you back an inspection report.
And typically, it may be a little scary because it's probably a long list of items on that report, which is very normal.
Your realtor is not an inspector, so just make sure that you call your inspector to go through the report with you. Some of those things may seem really scary, but at the end of the day will be really tiny.
So some of the things you may see on the report are maybe a loose door handle or potentially some roof damage.
So after you've gotten the report, you'll want to go through the list and decide the items that you want to get fixed to move forward. We always recommend that you get everything done that's important to you on that list. We're always looking for the big stuff that could cost you a lot of money. We believe those are the most important things to ask the seller to do. But this really becomes a second round of negotiation. So just remember, if you're asking for a new home, the seller may say no. So it can kind of become a negotiation art at this point. In the state of Arkansas, what will typically occur is you'll then ask the seller to either fix something or give you a credit. And then at that point, in the next few days after that, the seller can respond. They can say yes, they can say no, or they can meet you somewhere in the middle on those repairs.
So at that point, you just need to decide if you want to move forward or not. And ultimately, we just tell people to lean on their agent. And that's why you need a great one. And if you don't have one, we can connect you with one for free anywhere in the United States. Go down in the description, click the link, and we'll connect you with an agent in your local market.